Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Edge Wallet. Edge Wallet is one of the most reliable and user-friendly crypto wallets on the market, offering secure storage and seamless management of your digital assets. With Edge Wallet, you can store a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others, all while maintaining full control of your private keys. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To get started, visit the Edge Wallet website, where you'll find an intuitive and clean interface designed to make navigating the platform simple, even for beginners. The first step is to download the Edge Wallet app, available on both iOS and Android devices. Once downloaded, you can set up your account in just minutes, thanks to its user-friendly design. Edge Wallet emphasizes security, with end-to-end encryption for your private keys. This ensures that you, and only you, have access to your funds. Additionally, Edge Wallet supports two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. One of the standout features is the built-in exchange functionality, allowing you to swap between cryptocurrencies directly within the app. This eliminates the need to transfer your funds to external exchanges, saving you time and potential fees. The wallet also offers detailed transaction histories and supports a wide range of blockchains, making it versatile for diverse crypto needs. For those looking to expand their crypto activities, Edge Wallet integrates with third-party platforms, enabling you to buy, sell, and spend your crypto directly from the app. This integration makes it a convenient all-in-one solution for both beginners and experienced users. Ready to take control of your cryptocurrency journey? Download Edge Wallet today and unlock the full potential of your digital assets. Don't forget to use the sign-up link in the description to claim your bonus. If this guide was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a like.